Hi, I'm Junior Christian Taripe from BSIT2FG2. Today, we are installing Windows 10.
So first, installer there. Do you see the different language? I click next and install now. Wait for a minute to set up is starting. Once you're done to the setup starting, do you see the applicable notice in license terms? And I click I accept the license terms and click next. So which type installation do you want? You see the install Windows and custom install Windows. So I click the custom Windows and I click next. So I'll wait until installing the Windows. Your PC, wait just a moment. Once you're done, do you see the let's start with the region? Is this right? I click United States. So I click yes. Just a moment. Next, you see is the right keyboard layout. So you see another different countries. I click US and yes. Next, what the language do you want to use for your second keyboard? So I find the Philippines to my second keyboard. Yes, Filipino, Philippines. Click next. So which keyboard layout would you like to use? So I click US. So this is the easy way to installing the Windows 10. I hope you enjoy to watch and learn. Thank you for watching.